Hey, it's Domi. What's up? Welcome back. So this video is a pre-plan with me for this week, which is the week of February 17th through the 23rd. I'm using this GlamPlanner kit from Halloween. I don't really know the name of it, but we all know that I'm perpetually single. So I thought it'd be funny to do an Valentine's Day spread. So here we are. And I know Valentine's Day was last week, but look, all of February is Valentine's Day, okay? So I'm doing a red and gold mixed metals theme for this spread. I'm pulling in both of the red wiggles that SPC has released, as well as some gold heart confetti overlay tapes from Sticky Essentials as bougie boxes, and then the laptops and work scripts that you'll see later on are from Planning Roses and KinzisCreations, respectively. So I think that pretty much covers all of the basics. So I'm going to throw some music over the rest of the base, and I'll be back live for the day by day.
Shadows in the moonlight, always coming, always going, while your cup is overflowing. And shadows in the moonlight, it's just a matter of perspective. It's all relative, subjective, it's alive. Stand up straight and tall, keep your back against the wall. Remember what they said to you. A stranger in a crowd, a halo on a cloud. It's lost to you but never really went away. Muffled speech is out of reach, but truth has got a way of breaking through. Shadows in the moonlight, always coming, always going, while your cup is overflowing. And shadows in the moonlight, it's just a matter of perspective. It's all relative, subjective, it's alive. Take these words, my dear, as they echo in your ears.
This is the base of the spread. It is very extra and very, very foily, but I think it's really pretty so far. I'm really happy with how it's coming along. Okay, so there aren't too many boxes and labels in this kit, so I'm gonna kind of have to be strategic with how I do things. But today before work, I ran to Target because I did a Galentine's exchange with my two work best friends, and I needed to grab some like gift bags and tissue paper and whatnot. So I'm gonna use a label for that, and then a Target run script. Pretty much all of my scripts are from KinzisCreations or SPC unless otherwise stated. Okay, so I'm gonna use a fancy label and a coffee cup. This is a custom with my name on it from the Crafty Banana. So I'm going to use that, as well as a Starbucks run script from The Wiggle. And then Mayday Parade is touring in the spring, so I got my ticket for that today. I'm super hype. You guys know Mayday is one of my favorite bands. I've said it a million times. I thought my emo phase was just a phase, but as I've gotten older, I've come to realize that it absolutely was not a phase, and if anything, I've just gotten more emo. So I'm using a buy tickets script from KinzisCreations, and then a little heart circle icon from The Wiggle, which you can't really see, but it's cute in person. So then, oh yeah, I had to do a training at work today, which was boring. But I'm gonna mark that in with a label, and then a little alarm icon from The Wiggle. And then I'm filming this video, so I'm gonna use another of these little header strips. And a film script, as well as a film camera icon from The Wiggle. And then this is just a gold film script from SPC. And then after I am done filming this video, I'm gonna go have a little Brooklyn Nine-Nine marathon, because I just started watching it last night, and I'm pissed at myself that I slept on it this long, because it's so freaking good. Ugh, and I can't wait to binge all of it. So I'm just using a label as well as a circle icon. So for Tuesday, I need to pull some stickers at work. I still have my Valentine's Day spread coming. I have like the base laid down. I just haven't pulled the stickers yet. So my memory spread for that will be coming later this week. And I'm gonna pull stickers for that tomorrow at work. So I'm using a KinzisCreations script, as well as a little, no, not a TV icon. That's gonna be for Schitt's Creek later. Hang on. Okay. I'm using a little bow icon. That looks a little janky now, but whatever. It's fine. And then we're going to a family reunion over Memorial Day weekend. So we need to buy our plane tickets tomorrow. So I'm going to use another buy tickets script from Kinsey, and a little plane icon from The Wiggle. And then I'm going to edit this video and then finish the day out watching Schitt's Creek. So I'm going to use a label and then a half box. So for Schitt's Creek, I'm going to use a little TV icon, as well as a Schitt's Creek custom from Kinsey. So that is going to be Tuesday. And then Wednesday, oh, I've got to water my little plants. They're doing so well, you guys. They're so cute. And our mantle looks so cute right now. We got a mirror. Before it was some like weird sailboat picture hanging above our mantle, but we got a super cute gold mirror, and then all of my plants just look so cute. So I've got to water my plants. So this little succulent is from PaperBitsCo. And then I'm just going to use a water plants custom from Kinsey. And also on Wednesday, I'm going to need to follow up with some customers, which is always fun. So I'm using a Work Pims custom from Suddenly Stickers, and then a little @ symbol from the Wiggle. And then the last thing for Wednesday is that I've got a metric fuck ton of laundry to do. So I'm gonna grab a fancy label. Nope, don't want to use that color. Okay, let's use the cool tone gray. And then I'm going to use a laundry script from the Wiggle. So that is the first half of the week done, and popping over to Thursday. Thursday is going to be a pretty chill day other than like working. I'm pretty much just going to PetSmart because Lil Soda Pop is out of food. So I'm going to use a half box, and then this little Tara from Pumpkin Paper Co. with a little cat PetSmart custom from KinzisCreations. So that's that, and then for editing, I'm just going to use a fancy label and another edit script, another one of those like film strip icons. So that's it for Thursday. Super chill. Wait, I forgot the most important part of the week. So hopping back over to Thursday, All Time Low is releasing a new song, and I'm hype, and I use this half box for a reason, and that's because their new color scheme is yellow, and I'm here for it. I love whatever All Time Low is doing right now. It's really working for them. I'm here for it. Can't wait for the new song. So I'm using the half box and a heart circle icon. Okay, now we can hop over to Friday. So Friday is going to be pretty chill. I don't have anything going on other than work, and then hopefully uploading my Valentine's spread, the little film strip icons, and another upload script. Okay, and then I'm going to put a tentative Ozark binge in on Friday. I'm like show clubbing it with my friend Michelle, basically where we just watch it and live text each other. So it kind of depends on what she's up to that night. I think she's going out with her boyfriend Saturday, and then I work Sunday, and she has to be up early for her second job on Monday. So I think if we're going to get any Ozark in, it's going to be on Friday. So I'm just tentatively marking that, and I'm just going to use another circle TV icon. So that is Friday, and then Saturday is my one day off this week. So I'm going to use a label and a day off script. I didn't really pull any kind of like character or anything for this, so I'm just gonna use these little balloons. So Saturday is art class registration, and it's gonna be cutthroat, so I'm gonna have to get up at 7:30 to be ready to register, which sucks. So I'm gonna use a little third box for that, and then an artist palette. This is from the Pretty Pink Co. And then I'm just going to write that in later. And then I'm going to meal prep on Saturday as well. So I'm just going to take a little header strip. No, actually, I'm going to use the gray. I'm going to use an avocado icon. I don't know why I'm using it when I'm allergic to avocados, but I just figured I'll use everything else on the sheet and I'll never use an avocado, so I might as well use it for meal prepping. Logic. So then I'm going to, I don't know what I'm going to do yet that day, but I'm gonna do something fun with myself. I don't know if I'm gonna go to the movies or what, but I'm going to do a Domi date. I got that idea from Emily of Emily Catherine Plans, so I fully ripped this this script idea off from her, but this is a custom from KinzisCreations. Then I'm going to use a little Tara, and I think I'm going to cut her a little bit because she's a little long for that box. So I'm going to cut her little legs off, and let's see. Okay, she's still a little tall, but I don't feel like recutting, so that's gonna work. For a little extra shine here, I want to put a little hearts on the shirt. Okay, cool. That's cute, I think. Okay, and then finally, I'm going to do a bubble bath, kind of like self-care night on Saturday as well. So I'm going to use a face mask icon from the Wiggle as well as a bath script. So that's pretty much that. And then again, Sunday is going to be super, super chill. I'm just going to watch Brooklyn Nine-Nine when I get home from work, as well as Up and Vanished. So I'll just use this third box down here, as well as a Circle TV icon. And yeah, so that's pretty much everything, I think. So I'm gonna pop everything back into my planner and I will be right back. So this is the final spread. Here's a little wiggle. It's super, super foily. I think it turned out super pretty. But yeah, as always, my Instagram as well as all of these shops will be linked down below if you would like to check them out. And if you would like to take a second to subscribe, it would be much appreciated. But yeah, as always, thank you so much for hanging out today, and I hope I see you in the next one. Later days.